So we've decided to cook foreign food today, haven't we, Sar? Jai. So Sarah's going to cook Japanese sushi, and I'm going to cook Italian fucking spaghetti with salmon and trout. So yeah. So let's have a look at what we have. So for anybody who doesn't know, you can go to Macro and buy as much foreign food as you want in Thailand. So here we have some trout, which I'm going to have with spaghetti, garlic. Where is pesto sauce, baby? Pesto sauce. Pesto. Green. So this, there we go. Pesto sauce. Oh shit, I've got two. Okay, we got two. I only meant to get one. But yeah, pesto sauce. And Sar, you've got to cook. What are you going to cook, Sar?
Sashimi salmon.
Sashimi salmon. Chai. So like sushi. Is it like sushi? Chai. So we're basically going to chop this straight down the middle. She's going to make sushi out of it, and I'm going to make spaghetti with trout out of the other half. Yeah. And we're going to time lapse it. Here we have some trout.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't.
สวยไหมคะ
สวยมาก
โอเคสีแล้วแตงกวา
แตงกวาAnd then we've got what? Carrot. What is this?
mango
And mango. Carrot and mango. There we go.
ซาซิมิแซลมอน
Sashimi salmon. What is soy sauce?
โซยุ
Soy sauce. Well done. Didi. Oh, so now we're gonna cook the Italian food. And Sal's gonna eat the Japanese food. Yeah, there we go. All right. Okay. There's pasta. Pesto sauce. And we have the other fillet of salmon. And we're going to start the cooking process. So we want to wait for the water to boil so that we can boil the pasta, and then we're going to start frying up this salmon. But we're going to pause. So ask Sarah how her food is. You like? Elle mai?
อร่อยมาก
Elle ma. Chai.
ซีมีเหรอ
Chai. Yeah. Really, really nice. And that is homemade sushi in Southeast Asia. Yes. Yeah, another one. Something in the middle.
หนักมาก
โอ้ยมากนะ So we're going to pause the video for a minute because now we're ready to cook my salmon. So we're going to cook the salmon. Yeah. So you're going to watch me cook the salmon. You're going to watch me cook the salmon. Oh. So we have here some salmon with chili flakes and black pepper on it. Some oil in the pan. Pan nice and oiled. Yeah. Some Delia Nick. You can call me Delia Nick. I'd call myself a naked chef, but it would scare you all away. So we're just going to let the oil heat up a bit. You're wrapping up my cooking speech. Smell that beautiful lemon coming off the fish. And as you can see, Sarah's obliterated the sushi. Hey! And she's now eating a carrot. There we go. Oh. Okay, so this is a terrible cooking video because I actually got a work call halfway through and had to completely stop everything. And yeah, and here's the Italian food. So we've got salmon, which I've basted in lemon and chili and black pepper, and then we've got pesto sauce pasta. And Sarah doesn't want to eat any because Sarah's completely full from eating sushi. Yeah, full from eating sushi. So yeah, anyway, but that was our friend cooking experience. Good day.